If manual trimming is a necessary part of your process, a conveyor system from AEG can improve your production capacity, improve food handling safety, and keep your operators safe. Let's look at 3 ways that we achieve this. A successful manual trim station starts with a thoughtful layout. Getting the system design right is crucial. Here at AEG, we work with you from the beginning to ensure that our solution fits your operation. This poultry trimming station was designed to supply product to 12 operators while maintaining sanitary design and ergonomic conditions. Custom shoot work allows operators to sort specific cuts of meat efficiently. In another example, this inline vegetable and fruit trim station was designed with flexibility in mind. Operators needed to be able to trim, sort, or inspect a variety of produce while hitting product throughput targets without compromising on ergonomics and washability.
Let me take you on up the platform here, and you'll notice we've integrated cutting boards that are easy to remove for cleaning. We've also integrated waste offshoots for your product so that you can easily dispose of unwanted material. This end of the conveyor has some built-in features for easy cleaning access to release the tension on the belt, and the whole unit will flip up and lock in place so that you'll be able to clean under the belt effectively for sanitation processes.
At AEG, we recognize that every customer is unique. Every facility has different space constraints, different products, and different throughput targets. That's why we work with you from the beginning and include you in every step of the design process to ensure that the equipment we provide will improve your process.